Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we make a custom polycarbonate stencil. My company makes a lot of custom stencils using a variety of materials, from metal to plywood to even paper. In this case here, it's polycarbonate. The nice thing about polycarbonate is it's absolutely clear, which means that when it comes to placing it on something, in this case here will be a rum barrel, you have the exact positioning you want, and you can actually see, with relative total ease as to what you actually be stenciling. This will be used for spray paint. So because we're using spray paint on it, we're able to get away with plastic. If you want to use a flame on your barrels, we have to make them out of stainless steel, just to prevent rusting on the stencil itself. That's why we use steel instead of mild steel. One of the biggest issues I come up with customers who want custom stencils, regardless of the material or the size of the design, are just getting over the concept that inside parts need to be held somewhere. So for instance, here we have an A, and you can see, let me put my hand over it so it's a little bit easier to see. And you notice the inside of the A is supported by a little piece of material. Again, the A as well, lots of A's in this one here. Let me see. O, again, there's a bridge over here. It's roughly 1/8 inch thick, which is what I recommend. And we go down here, you can see the 9 as well. So everything needs to be supported, because what happens if it's not supported is that it just falls through and you end up with a stencil that looks, kind of weird after you do either the flame or the spray paint on it. Now you can use any kind of spray paint you want. The nice thing about polycarbonate, it's incredibly strong. This is actually what they use for bulletproof glass, just a lot thicker. So if you're looking for custom stencils, any size, any shape, any material, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll cut it for you and ship it right to your door.